Ever wonder how geniuses like Einstein, Tesla, or Newton solve seemingly impossible problems? Today we'll unlock their secret. Genuine thinking isn't just about being born smart. It is a set of mental tools anyone can learn. First principle thinking means break down complex problems to their fundamental truths. Instead of following conventional wisdom, geniuses ask, what do I know to be absolutely true? Elon Musk used this revolutionized space travel. Instead of accepting that rockets were expensive, he broke down the cost of basic materials and rebuilt the solution from scratch. Einstein wasn't in a lab when he discovered relativity. He used thought experiments by asking, what would I see if I rode on a beam of light? Einstein revolutionized physics without a single physical experiment. When stuck, ask what if question and mentally play out the scenario. Most people ask, how do I solve this problem? Genius also ask, how do I avoid making it worse? This is a inversion, looking at problems backward. Instead of only asking how to succeed, ask what would guarantee failure, then avoid those things. Charlie Munger said, invert always invert. When designing something, think about what would make it terrible, then do the opposite. Geniuses connect ideas from different fields using analogies. When Johannes Kepler was stuck on planetary motion, he compared it to light spreading from the sun, giving him his breakthrough. Ask yourself, what does this problem remind me of, or where have I solved something similar before? Ordinary thinking follows one path. Geniuses thinking explore many possibilities. When facing a problem, generate at least 10 different approaches before choosing one. The best solution often comes from combining ideas from different approaches. Sometimes the harder you think about problem, the more stuck you become. Geniuses know when so to step away and let their subconscious work. This is called incubation. Archimedes had his eureka moment in the bath, not at his desk. Scheduled break during intense problem solving session. Richard Feynman could explain quantum physics to children. How? By ruthlessly simplifying. If you can't explain your solution simply, you don't understand it well enough. Challenge yourself. Explain your problem as if teaching a 10-year-old. Let's put it all together with a practical framework. Define the problem clearly, break it down to first principle, generate multiple solutions, test mentally through thought, experience, take a break for incubation, return and synthesize the best approach. Simplify your solution. You don't need Einstein IQ to think like a genius. These mental models are accessible to everyone. Practice this technique daily on small problems and you'll be ready when big challenges arise. Remember, genius isn't born, it's built. So, better thinking tools now go solve this impossible. Let me know if you need any changes.